Hi guys, Mark from Car Detail Empire here. I got this car behind me from Classics for a Cause. It's a 1968 HK Monaro GTS. Now it's already a beautifully restored car. Very good condition coming to our workshop. But what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to what's already a beautiful meal. So what we're going to do today is give it a basic interior detail. It's already in good condition, so it just needs a little bit of love to get the max shine out of it. And what we're going to do is move to the exterior once the interior has been done, and we are going to polish it. Well, firstly we're going to wash it, give it a decontamination to get rid of anything that might be bonded to the paint over the small amount of time it's been exposed, because it's clearly very fresh paint. And then we're going to polish it. And what polishing does, it'll bring that shine back up to maximum, like the maximum shine we can achieve. And then we're going to ceramic coat it. And what that ceramic coating will do is it will actually lock in that shine for a much longer period of time than just clear coat of the car. The reason why you want to do that, especially on a car like this, is because you don't want to be constantly cut and polishing a car that's been restored like this. And to protect it and get the maximum life out of your restoration is a much better way to approach the situation, rather than let it get neglected and then just restore it over and over again. And yeah, so we're about to get into it, and I'm really excited. So another little thing I want to take you guys through is these cars and their chrome. These old cars are defined by their chrome, right? So you can have really shiny paint, really clean windows, really clean interior, everything perfect, but you haven't done anything with the chrome. Now that's quite a common occurrence because it is a very expensive endeavor to do anything to chrome. We at Car Detail Empire actually restore chrome on a weekly basis. Now if you also come into the engine bay, look at all the chrome in the engine bay. It could look so much better with a really good chrome polish and a good nice detail all around the engine bay, and that's why we like to do these things with these old cars. These small things literally define what they are, because you do not get them on new cars. Like this, the air filter at the top, you know, you don't see that on a new car. You don't see all these cool things, you know. You open up a new car engine bay and it's just boring. It does not look like this. Alright, so now that we're at the final stage of detail in this car, we've got the whole car looking shiny and tip-top shape. So now we're ceramic coating it. So what this ceramic coating will do is it will help lock in the work that we've done today. You don't want to be restoring these cars constantly. You want to do it once and keep that for as long as possible. Now this ceramic coating will help that. So basically what we're doing to this wheel now is, now that we've polished it all up, I'm just going over it with a chrome cleaner to get rid of any of the detergents, any residues of anything we've used to actually polish the chrome up, leaving it nice and bare to enhance the mirror finish that it now has. All right, now that we've finished the detail on this HK Monaro, I'd like to tell you a little bit about what we've done. The chrome, the windows, the wheels, the paint, the rubber, the leather, you name it, this car has, everything on this car has been touched. And the idea of touching everything on this car is to make sure that the new owner who's going to receive it in this giveaway from Classics for a Cause, it's going to be at its maximum potential for maximum enjoyment for the new owner. We've had maximum enjoyment detailing this car. We also want the person who's going to own it to enjoy it to its full potential. It's a HK Monaro GTS, like, come on.